Untouchable is persecuting us as they are on their way. Neil deGrasse Tyson shouts out, demanding the most disappointing and miserable exposure made by the Pioneer in the last 10 years, a discovery that researchers were not the least bit prepared for. Since the traveler sent back this upsetting information from space, experts have been unable to move forward, and everyone is walking around in a stressed environment. Specialists, analysts, and Neil deGrasse Tyson himself have been called from their stations to combat these clandestine objects that the explorer just spotted. We know practically nothing about where these astonishing things are coming from or where they are going. Yet what we should be confident about is that we have seen nothing like them before. What are these confounding things that were recently found by Pioneer 1? Join us today as we dissect these findings in Neil deGrasse Tyson's analysis of Pioneer 1, which has detected 500 dark objects passing by in space. For nearly 50 years, Pioneer 1 has been cruising through the expanse of space, exploring vast regions that ground-based telescopes have been unable to see and uncovering discoveries that leave us in awe. Thanks to the brilliant minds at the Johns Hopkins Applied Physics Laboratory, Pioneer 1 has become the centerpiece of intergalactic space exploration. This engineering masterpiece has awakened us to the magnificent wonders that exist in our universe. In a recent development, Neil deGrasse Tyson confirmed that Pioneer 1 has detected 500 dark objects floating serenely in space. This news came as a shock to mainstream experts, shaking them as everyone began poring over the data collected by Pioneer 1. Something odd was brewing not too far away, and it was challenging to solve this bubbling mystery that had even baffled the best of researchers. Since Neil deGrasse Tyson confirmed this discovery, various interpretations have emerged, attempting to construct a coherent understanding of the mystery. Had it been another spacecraft delivering such astonishing data, analysts might have questioned its authenticity. However, this is Pioneer 1 we are talking about, the space probe that has been navigating the vastness of space for nearly 50 years, far exceeding its expected lifespan of 3 years. Pioneer 1 has defied all expectations, much like a patient overcoming a terminal illness. It has revealed groundbreaking discoveries and continues to do so from an extraordinary distance. The last time experts checked, the space probe was 14.5 billion miles from Earth, traveling tirelessly through space with no signs of slowing down. Scientists estimate that Pioneer 1 is covering distances multiple times the span between the Earth and the Sun every year, a feat that experts find difficult to comprehend given the longevity of its mission. Further investigation shows that Pioneer 1 is truly an exceptional case. Recently, on what seemed like an ordinary day, Pioneer 1 delivered stunning news that will remain in the memories of experts for years to come. The probe accidentally detected some unexpected objects passing by in space. This discovery was shocking, explaining the initial confusion among astronomers when they analyzed data indicating that around 500 dark objects had appeared seemingly out of nowhere. In an instant, we went from knowing nothing about these objects to experts pushing their intellectual limits to find answers to this puzzle. Experts were in a bind, and the culprit was none other than Pioneer 1. However, they also knew that the key to unraveling this mystery lay in the reliable data sent by the space probe. Initially, some experts speculated that the discovery might have been a mistake. They suggested that Pioneer 1, launched back in 1977, might have begun to falter after nearly 5 decades of active service. This theory proposed that the probe's computers could have been malfunctioning, sending back low-quality data to the ground team. While plausible, this explanation was ultimately dismissed as it would undermine the remarkable achievements of Pioneer 1. Despite the harsh and unpredictable conditions of space, Pioneer 1 has consistently delivered accurate data about our universe. Its longevity can be attributed to its dual redundant computer systems. Like its twin, Pioneer 2, Pioneer 1 was equipped with 2 sets of command subsystems, Flight Data Systems, FDS, and Attitude and Articulation Control Systems, ACS. This redundancy allowed the probe to switch seamlessly between systems and activate dormant components, thus prolonging its lifespan. The design team on Earth had anticipated the challenges of space exploration and devised a plan to optimize the spacecraft's efficiency. To conserve resources, The instruments on Pioneer 1 relied on simplified systems built using hardware logic. The spacecraft's power management system includes 6 onboard computers arranged as a distributed system with 3 dual redundant pairs. Having overcome these challenges, experts now face another daunting task: maintaining these systems while unraveling the mysteries revealed by Pioneer 1. This remarkable spacecraft continues to push the boundaries of human knowledge, challenging experts to explore the unknown. This overwhelming level of innovation has made Pioneer 1 a durable and reliable spacecraft, capable of tackling the harsh realities of space exploration. Its resilience has earned it the trust of the scientific community, and despite its age, Pioneer 1 continues to perform beyond expectations. The 500 dark objects it recently detected have introduced a new layer of mystery to our understanding of the universe. These objects are unlike anything we have encountered before, leading researchers to hypothesize about their origin and nature. Are they remnants of ancient celestial bodies? Or could they be objects from another galaxy altogether? The data is still being analyzed, and as theories emerge, scientists are cautious not to jump to conclusions. What makes this discovery even more intriguing is the speed and behavior of these objects. Unlike asteroids or comets, which follow predictable paths, these objects appear to move in a manner that defies conventional understanding of celestial mechanics. Some experts believe they might be fragments of interstellar matter, while others wonder if they could be artifacts from advanced civilizations. Neil deGrasse Tyson, along with other prominent scientists, has called for international collaboration to study these objects further. He emphasized the need for advanced telescopes and space missions dedicated to tracking and understanding these phenomena. This is not just a discovery, it's a call to action, Tyson said in a recent statement. We must work together to unlock the secrets of these mysterious objects and what they can tell us about the universe. As Pioneer 1 continues its journey into the unknown, it serves as a reminder of humanity's insatiable curiosity and drive to explore. For nearly 5 decades, this spacecraft has expanded our understanding of space, and now, it challenges us to solve one of the most puzzling mysteries it has encountered. The implications of these dark objects go beyond mere scientific curiosity. If their origins can be traced, they could provide insights into the early stages of the universe or reveal clues about extraterrestrial activity. The sheer number of these objects, 500 in total, suggests that they are part of a larger phenomenon that has yet to be understood. While scientists race to gather more information, Pioneer 1 continues to send back data from its position at the edge of the solar system. Its groundbreaking discoveries remind us of the importance of investing in space exploration and the potential it holds for revolutionizing our understanding of the cosmos. With the data now in the hands of experts worldwide, the race is on to decipher the true nature of these dark objects. Whether they turn out to be natural phenomena, remnants of ancient events, or evidence of something far more extraordinary, one thing is certain: the universe is far more complex and fascinating than we ever imagined. Was vanquished by creating a steady power management plan. Here's where it gets a bit fascinating. Power management included supporting the functional components of Pioneer's computer systems. And to be honest, this is a difficult task, given the limited power resources available on board the spacecraft. It was a case of sending a tracker into the deep wilderness to hunt wild creatures with just a handful of tools. Everything considered, scientists found a procedure to get around this issue by imagining a couple of measures to screen and optimize power usage on board the traveler. A real example of these power management measures that specialists thought up is the fundamental shutdown of non-essential systems. Experts had to make this hard decision and used an exact approach to identify and deactivate parts or subsystems that were not critical for the bus's primary mission goals. We see proof of this when we look at radiators connected with specific instruments that must be turned off. These radiators were initially designed to maintain the instruments at specific temperatures for optimal performance. At any rate, the story had to be modified by activating them only when necessary, as it drastically reduced power consumption on board the spacecraft. This reduction in the rocket's power usage has a ripple effect. It extends the mission's lifespan. This is a mutually beneficial plan for everyone. Similarly, we should remember that the decision to shut down non-essential systems isn't made lightly. Such an organized move requires careful consideration of the trade-offs between power conservation and the scientific goals of the van. Whenever such a decision was made, all hands had to be on deck, prepared. Experts and scientists needed to come together and assess the effect of deactivating specific systems on the quality and availability of scientific data. Emotions were not driving this. Everything certainly revolved around the facts at hand. The team was driven by the desire to maximize power efficiency while maintaining the spacecraft's essential functionality so it could continue gathering significant data about our universe undisturbed. Engineers and scientists alike maintained that nothing should stop Voyager 1 from uncovering the significant secrets locked away in the mysterious regions of space. Secrets that the universe has been keeping from us for centuries. At any rate, specific power reduction isn't the only way NASA scientists are keeping the spacecraft alive and functioning optimally in space. They had another huge advantage up their sleeves, which they intended to use to help the spacecraft. The prepared experts had to devise power management strategies that were adjusted to the ever-changing conditions of the bus current environment. For example, as Voyager 1 ventures farther from the Sun, the available solar energy undergoes a reduction. We would agree that this is an issue, but the experts came prepared. They adapted to this growing threat by ensuring that the spacecraft adjusted its power usage accordingly. This flexible approach is a win for NASA scientists and engineers, as it ensures that available power resources are efficiently allocated to support the mission's critical tasks and data transmission back to Earth. The good news doesn't end here. There have been consistent technical advancements and upgrades in power management, which have allowed scientists to refine and streamline the spacecraft's power system over time. A close look at these upgrades reveals that they include more efficient power distribution, improved battery charging systems, and advancements in power regulation and control. The implementation of carefully analyzed and planned power management strategies has opened an exciting door for engineers. It has made it possible for them to extend the operational lifespan of Voyager 1, alongside its twin Voyager 2. This is a significant achievement for space experts and the world at large. The careful management of power resources has equipped Voyager 1 with the necessary strength to keep exploring the depths of the universe. The discovery reverberated through the halls of scientific inquiry with seismic power. Neil deGrasse Tyson's sincere declaration resonated across the globe, highlighting 10 years of careful assessment by Voyager 1. Amidst the vast expanse of interstellar space, the spacecraft unexpectedly encountered an anomaly. 500 mysterious objects, their origins and purposes hidden in immense secrecy, quietly traversing through the void. This astounding encounter sparked a frenzy of scientific inquiry. Researchers and specialists worldwide began a concerted effort to understand these perplexing objects, seeking to unravel their origins and purposes. The remarkable discovery by Voyager 1 opened a new chapter in space exploration, challenging existing theories and pushing new perspectives on celestial phenomena. The ongoing assessment of this data promises to stretch the boundaries of our understanding, potentially revealing new insights into the nature of the universe and our place within it. As we delve deeper into the unknown, the ultimate goal remains to uncover the truth behind these dark objects and their impact on how we perceive space. As scientists continue to probe the mystery of the 500 dark objects identified by Voyager 1, the scope of exploration has expanded considerably. The initial data gathered by the spacecraft has already led to some captivating theories. One hypothesis suggests that these objects could be remnants of ancient cosmic events, perhaps debris from exploded stars or disintegrated asteroids. On the other hand, they may be composed of materials unknown to current science, suggesting novel forms of matter or even entirely new physical phenomena. Astrophysicists are using advanced computer models to simulate the trajectories and potential origins of these objects. By analyzing their paths and velocities, researchers hope to determine whether they share a common source or whether they originated from different distinct events. This part of the study is crucial for understanding the broader implications of the discovery, such as the possibility of previously unrecognized cosmic cycles or interactions. Observatories around the world have been enlisted to help track these objects. Ground-based telescopes are being used to check and enhance the data returned by Voyager 1, providing a more comprehensive view of their properties. High-resolution imaging and spectroscopic analysis are key components of this work, aiming to identify any chemical signatures or physical properties that could reveal more about their nature. In addition to observational efforts, theoretical physicists are investigating the potential impact of these discoveries on our understanding of fundamental physics. For example, if the objects exhibit unusual gravitational effects or electromagnetic properties, they could offer insights into theories of dark matter or dark energy. Such findings could revolutionize our understanding of the universe's most enigmatic components. The discovery has also prompted interdisciplinary collaboration. Cosmologists, mathematicians, and even experts in material science are contributing their expertise to solve the puzzle presented by these mysterious objects. This collaborative approach is fostering a more holistic understanding of the data and ensuring that all possible angles are explored. Educational institutions and research centers are now integrating this new cosmic mystery into their curricula, using it as a tool to inspire the next. Moreover, the implications of the discovery extend beyond the realm of science. If these objects are found to have extraordinary properties or behaviors, they could have practical applications in technology and industry. For instance, if the objects contain materials with exceptional strength or conductivity, they could be used in advanced manufacturing or electronics. As the research progresses, the academic community remains cautious yet optimistic. The data returned by Voyager 1 is thoroughly analyzed to rule out any anomalies or errors. Peer review and replication studies are crucial for validating the findings and ensuring that the conclusions drawn are robust and reliable. In summary, the discovery of 500 dark objects by Voyager 1 has opened a new frontier in space exploration. The ongoing investigation into these mysterious entities is poised to expand our knowledge of the universe, challenge existing theories, and potentially uncover groundbreaking revelations. The collaborative efforts of scientists worldwide highlight the importance of this finding and emphasize the enduring quest for knowledge that drives space exploration. As we anticipate further discoveries, the excitement and anticipation surrounding this monumental mystery continue to grow, promising new insights into the universe's deepest secrets.